and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to finally be able to share with you this new video that I have filmed back in February, but because I was so freaking busy with so many different things in my life between running my business or any other things that happen in my life in general, so I could not really sit and edit this video, but I have finally did. And in today's video I'm gonna share with you the unboxing of my brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max along with some other stuff I got from Apple, and I will be drawing a digital mandala using my phone and obviously a stylus using Procreate Pocket app, and I will show you how to do that using your phone too. But before we jump into that, I really wanted to show you my newest product that I have added to my shop, which is absolutely amazing, and I'm super excited to share this news with you. I've been always really dreaming to find a good company to print my design into notebooks, and I finally did, and they turned out really so freaking pretty. They have a soft cover and a very good thick paper that really can hold so many different type of ink. So here is the 7 different designs that I have made into notebooks, and they are now available on my Etsy shop. I will leave a link on the description box for you to check it out if you're interested.
You're born in April, babe, and I know you're an only child, and so did I.
And now let me show you the app I'm gonna use to draw a mandala on my phone. So it's called Procreate Pocket. It's the same application actually I use on my iPad, but that one called just Procreate, but this one actually a Procreate Pocket. It's kind of just for fun. So, and it's also can only be downloaded on Apple devices, like I think the newest Apple devices, not the old ones. So I have downloaded the app called Procreate Pocket, and I'm gonna show you how to draw a mandala on it using a stylus, my phone, and just that app. So first of all, I'm just gonna set up my canvas, which is the guidelines and the symmetry things, and then I will draw on it.
You make me horny with your lingerie. You like the lemon in my ginger tea.
Actually, I don't really know if it's really hard to draw on the phone using a stylus, or because my stylus is bad. So I don't really know if that's because of my stylus, because it's not a professional one, it's just a very cheap one, and it's just like a pen that has that silicone thing on the end of it, just used for devices. So it's not the best absolutely, but because I really don't know if it's hard because of the kind of stylus or because the device is tiny. So I always draw mandalas on my iPad, as I have mentioned earlier, but because I really wanted to give it a try on my device, like on my iPhone, so for that I have downloaded and give it a try. Um, Although it's really so hard and it's really not easy to draw on the phone, but it's still super fun, and it's really had like give you a very different experience from drawing on your like iPad or something like that. It's my first time ever to draw a mandala on a phone or such like a very tiny device, so it was kind of hard for me in the beginning to understand how to just like move my hands on the phone, and also to just like set up my canvas and do stuff like that. So it was kind of hard, but the results is always worthy, and actually the resolution of the product, like, or the work in the end is not that bad. Actually, it's really good enough for using as a wallpaper or like any other things that you can just like print it on, just like a small piece maybe or something like that. So I don't really made a lot of work on it yet. I just made this one is my second one, and I love it. Actually, I would love to share more if you are just like interested on that thing. Just let me know in the comments if you have ever tried to use your phone to draw, or even if you want me to draw more on my phone and share it with you here.
I got
Or if you recommend any stylist maybe for me. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and hope to see you soon on my next video, hopefully soon. See you on my next one. Love you all so much. Bye.